How to use Walmart app to find items in a store. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so just stick till the very end and you will be able to do it. So first of all, before purchasing or doing anything, we need to make sure that one of the settings is turned on, and for that just simply open up the settings of your mobile device, and in your settings just scroll down and you will be able to find the option of apps. Just simply open it up. Now go to the manage apps. The process might be different on iOS device, but the end result is quite similar. So just search for Walmart over here and open it up. Now open up the app permissions. Over here you will be able to find the option of location. Just simply click on it and allow this particular permission to Walmart. This way, whenever you are near to any particular Walmart store, you will be able to find the option of store mode in your Walmart application, and after that you will be able to find different items in the store on the Walmart app itself. So just turn it on, and after that let's get back to Walmart app. And when you get back to Walmart app, you will be able to find this particular scanner at the top right hand side corner, right in the search bar. Over here, just simply click on it and you will be able to scan different products in the store itself, and you will be able to find their prices as well. Sometimes the prices are way cheaper as they are shown in the store. So I would just recommend you to scan every product that you purchase. This way you would be able to save a huge amount of money, and this is going to be really awesome for you, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.